emergent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Huron County, Lorain County, Cuyahoga County until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 75 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northwest of Euclid to 9 miles west of Kelly's Island and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Lorain, Cleveland, Elyria, Strongsville, Norwalk, Fitchville, Euclid. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Erie, Huron, and Lorain. Urgent weather message.